All right, welcome, Algebra 1 to lesson number 46, conjunctions. No, this is not English class conjunctions. This is more fun. It's mathematical conjunctions, okay? So let's go ahead and take a look at example 46.1. 46.1 says on page 185, says draw a number line and graph the solution, and they give us this. 5 is less than x, less than 10. Let's change that to define what x is, okay? If 5 is less than x, x has to be greater than 5, right? If 5 is less than x, what is x? Well, x would be greater than 5, okay? X is greater than 5, and then you can just read this normally. X is less than 10, right? If 5 is less than x, then x is greater than 5. And then we already have it defined, x is less than 10. So that's why they have the number array. And they're going to have the 0 here. Let's put a positive 5, positive 6, positive 7, positive 8, 9, 10. So where is x? The first one is x is greater than 5. So let's put a circle here and not color it in. X is less than 10, not equal to or less than 10, just less than 10. So circle right here, and then we draw the line in between these two. So in this case, I'll have a circle over here and a circle over here. They're not going to be colored in, and they're going to be saying x is somewhere in between these numbers. Okay? Let's take a look at 46.2. 46.2. 46.2 says, draw the number line and graph the solution. -2 less than x, -2 less than x, and less than or equal to 4. Okay? So let's change this around. Whoa. Let's say minus, less than. Come on now. Okay. So what is this telling me? Well, it's telling me that if -2 is less than x, x is greater than -2, and then x is less than or equal to positive 4. All right? So number array, here's 0, -1, -2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. X is greater than -2, color it in, okay? X is equal to or greater than positive 4. Circle goes on the positive 4 and gets colored in, and I'm looking for the range between these two numbers, okay? And let's go ahead and take a look at let's see here. Example 46.3. 46.3. 46.3 says write a conjunction. Now they're giving you the graph. They want you to define it. They're giving you the graph and they want you to define it. All right, here's my graph. Let's put 0 right here. And then -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, all right? And they have a circle on the -5 and colored in, and they have all the way to here with a circle, okay? So let's write it out the correct way first, and then we'll reverse the order, okay? So what is x? X is, it's going to be equal to, and they have a line right here, right? X is equal to or greater than -5. And then what is x? X is equal to, no, I'd say x is less than 0. X is less than 0. Okay? So now, in this case, this one is moved all the way over here. X is less than 0. And over on this side, I'm going to write the negated one version of this, right? If x is greater than or equal to -5, -5 is going to be less than or equal to x. -5 less than or equal to x. Okay, so the trick is write what x equals in this case and then form the opposite and plug it in. And that's why they have -5 less than equal to -5 is less than equal to x, which is less than 0. Okay? I want you to try practice A, B, and C, and D. Pause the video right now, and we'll check your answers. Okay, now that you've done, let's go ahead and take a look at lesson number 46. Let's see here. 46. Practice A, you should have a circle on the -5, not colored in, going to the right, all the way to the +4, circle on a +4, and it's colored in. Letter B, you should have 2 circles, neither should be colored in. The first on the left should be on the -7, and on the right it should end at the -2, and like I said, both of those circles are not colored in. Letter C, you should write -3 less than x, less than or greater to +2. And then for the answer for letter D, you should have -2 less than or equal to x less than 5. It's a little bit complicated. Maybe better if you're really struggling, I'd be happy to give you a call, walk over it, FaceTime, and then eventually we're going to be getting back together and working on these together, okay? So if you're having a hard time with it, just do your best and we'll figure it out as we go, okay? That is lesson 46, Algebra 1.